If you are wondering if we have split screen available on OnePlus 15, then the answer is yes, and we actually have a couple of different ways to activate split screen. For example, you can open any of the apps that you want to open in this split screen and then go to background apps. Now, in here we can tap on the name of the app and we have this split view option. Then of course we can choose the second app. You can either open any apps or you can go to background apps and open it like this. And the second way to activate the split screen is actually accessible if you have gestures for navigation. And in this case, we can swipe from the bottom towards the upper left corner. As you can see, we have the split view option, so we can drop the app over here. And as you can see, we can open an app in split screen view like this as well. And last but not least, if you use the smart sidebar, if you have any app accessible from the smart sidebar, you can press and hold your finger on the app, and then as you can see, if we hold it for long enough, we can actually open it in split view as well. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.